This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020 Gold Rush Baseball Vault 1-box break, eBay break. May 19th, 2020. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got JM Gomez 5 with the Brewers and Blue Jays. Pit P Red rocking the Diamondbacks, Braves, Red Sox, Rangers, Tigers, Giants, and Rays. Matt Suhei 32 with the Orioles, Reds, Athletics, Padres, Nationals, Indians, Royals, Twins, Phillies, and Pirates. Phillies P313 with the Rockies and Mets. 7161 Harper with the Cardinals. Big Dog 808 rocking the Mariners. Sly Coop with the Yankees. Jim Kings 77 with the Dodgers. Mr. Greenhead 209 with the Angels. J Hen Cards with the Astros and the White Sox. And Big Brown 33 rocking the Cubbies. That is your full lineup. Okay. We've got your sealed box here. 2020 Gold Rush Baseball Vault 3 high-end hits per box. Let's go ahead and get the plastic off. Alright, let's crack the seal. And let's get her open here. 3 hits in here. 1, 2, and 3. Empty box. What's up, Freels? Still good to have you around, you know that. Alright, here we go. Hit number 1, guys. Good luck, everybody. And, ooh, Joe DiMaggio. Triple threads. 2 out of 27 relic. Good start for the Yankees. And there's your numbering. 2 out of 27. Nice. Joe DiMaggio for the Yankees. Yankees coming out firing. That's really nice. Congrats to the Yankees. Beautiful Joe DiMaggio. Alright, number 2. And the Mets on the board. Ronnie Mauricio. That is out of what are we at here? Bowman Platinum, that's what I thought it was. That is out of Bowman Platinum on the Ronnie. METS Mets. That's a real nice Ronnie there. Nice autograph. Congrats to the Mets. Mets on the board. And your third hit here. Ooh. Wow. Bo Jackson. 1986 Memphis Chicks Silver Timeout Sports Bo Jackson authentic autograph. Are you kidding me? There's your Beckett authentication up there. Wow. Wow. What a hit. Wow, wow, wow. All right, so that will be going to the Royals. I do believe. Let me verify here. Yep, that's going to be going to the Royals. Royals owned by Matt Suhey 32. Beauty. Let's run back through these hits here real quick, guys. We got the Bo Jackson. That's a beauty. Authentic autograph out of 1986 Timeout Sports. That's beauty. We've also got the Ronnie for the Mets. Mauricio. METS Mets. Very nice there for the Mets. And we start out with the Yankees, Joe DiMaggio. Really nice relic. 2 out of 27 for the Yankees. At triple threats. Very nice. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Of course, I'll be sticking around. We still have another break coming up at 11, guys. CardboardHobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. Thank you so much. Really do appreciate it, guys. Be smart, be safe out there.